Welcome back to the video. Today we're playing Subway Surfers. I deleted the game a long time ago, and now I'm gonna be starting them again. So, yeah. Today we're trying to get a new character, at least one more character. So yeah, this is actually a fun game. So you guys should download it if you haven't not. So yeah. Oh, can I? Oh, awesome. A surfboard. Well, a flying one, but give me some of that money. Give me some of that coins, There we go. Like some D, like D. So I need to spell demon. Okay. That'll be easy, pretty sure. There we go. How? I just banged myself in my bed. No cap. Ah! Okay, so close dying there. I almost died there. Oh my god. I almost died. A mission complete. What mission did I complete? I just died. My new high score is that? What the heck? Guys, I'm so sorry for the yelling in the background. I don't know what happened, what's happening out there, and I don't want to know. You guys hear that? Oh my god. So I'm trying to get a new thing, a new skin. So yeah. I'm just trying to listen to this yelling out there. Oh my god. I just got a pumpkin. What does that do? I need to put demon. Okay. I got D-E-M. I need O-N. Pretty sure. I wasn't looking. Here we go. Demon. Where are you, demon? Demon. Where are these letters? I don't know what these yelling out there is, but I don't want to know. Ah. Here we go. Demon. I need to spell demon. Here we go. I'm so sorry for the yelling out there. Okay, I spelled demon. That's awesome. I spelled demon. Yeah. I spelled demon. Mommy, I'm so proud. 10 multiplier. What? Oh, it's time. I did. New high score. What did I get? Money. Awesome. Now we need to buy a new person. Can I buy a new person? I want it. Zombie Jake. What is happening? Okay, now with any purchase. Maybe I could save up for, like, I'm gonna save up for her. I need a few more thousand. So yeah. Guys, I don't think this video is gonna be long enough for me getting that skin. So part 2 is gonna be on soon. Oh my god. I have another like 3 minutes till my bedtime. Here we go. Oh my god. Wait, I didn't want to get that. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I am so dumb. Like, what the heck? This would have been 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Awesome. Here we go. Oh my god. What do I need to spell now? Nothing yet? I don't think. Oh no, don't think I need to smell anything. Mission complete. Pick up 500 coins. Like, why? Must I get all the pumpkins? Ah, I'm so good at this part. Okay, I'm gonna miss like a few. Like 5 there. Talking about that. I got this. 2 times. I'm not sure what the 2... I know what 2 times is, but sometimes it doesn't work in the game. Like it doesn't give me 2 times the money or anything. I just passed a pumpkin. I'm dead. You have a score. Please get coins. Jake's spray can. How much do I need? How many Jakes do I need? Do I have this? How do you get out of that? How many Jakes do I need? 3, awesome. I need 150. Guys, that'll be the end of the video. Sorry that, what's it called? That we didn't get the skin yet, so. Part 2 will be coming out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. If you guys did not subscribe, then you're not gonna get a cookie for your grandma or something. And yeah, you're gonna get presents for Christmas. So you guys better subscribe and like. Post notifications on so you don't miss any of the videos. And yeah, bye.